I meet ideas I never tried to chase, all emotion showing me their face. Not a rush, not a fall from grace, just a moment where the mind finds space. Vision in the smoke, a doorway opens while the edges blur. Colors in my chest unwrap, showing parts of me I once deterred. Vision in the smoke, a calmer version of myself appears. I see the life I want to build, beyond the noise, beyond the fears. Oh. A spark, a breath, and the mood shifts light, like someone dimmed the pressure of the night. My thoughts spread wide, drifting out of line, but somehow everything aligns just fine. I hear my pulse moving slow and clear, reminding me there's nothing left to fear. The world outside can wait its turn. Right now it's my mind I get to learn. Vision in the smoke, a doorway opens while the edges blur. Colors in my chest unwrap, showing parts of me I once deterred. Vision in the smoke, a calmer version of myself appears. I see the life I want to build, beyond the noise, beyond the fears. It's not escape, it's a different view. A quiet shift in how I move. No running, no hiding, no disguise, just deeper colors in my sky. When the haze settles and the air turns cold, I still keep the stories that the smoke once told. Lessons of ease, moments of release, little reminders that my soul wants peace. So when the world gets heavy on my skin, I spark the calm and let the thoughts begin. Every cloud carries a place to grow, vision rising from the glow. Vision in the smoke,